Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the time zone in your Google Sheets. So you need to do this on the Google Sheets in your desktop. Then after you open a file, you can just go to File and then find Settings. So this is my current time zone, and to change it, you can just click on this box right here, the time zone box, and then there will be lots of options for you to choose. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I want to use into this one. Then after that, you can just click on save and reload to save the time zone that you just choose. Then after that, the time zone in your Google Sheets will be changed accordingly. So that's a simple tutorial for me, but if you had any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.